This guide will help you download invoices from Modal Labs in 2026. Follow these simple steps to access and save your invoices efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Modal Labs website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you have the correct username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Invoices section. Once logged in, look for the Invoices or Billing section in the main menu. Click on it to view all your available invoices. Step 3. Select the invoice. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Download the invoice. Look for Download or Export option on the Invoice Details page. Click on it and choose your preferred file format, such as PDF or CSV, to download the invoice to your device. Step 5. Save the invoice. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your device and save it in your desired folder for easy access later. Ensure that you name the file appropriately for future reference. By following these steps, you can easily download your invoices from Modal Labs. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.